what's this going on here? Look a bit chunky.
What's up, beautiful people? It is our last morning here in the Lake District, and we are out on the bikes that we so lovingly packed up to come with and haven't managed to use yet. So we're going off on a little adventure and hoping to find a castle.
I'm excited, as per usual.
You're always excited.
We've got our helmets on. Cheers.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Morning. Hello. Welcome to Greystoke. Now to find the castle. Wow. Looks pretty fancy. Little watchtower over here. Greystoke Castle and Park are not open to the public.
We just have to stay over this side of the wall then.
Got any facts for us today?
I have, obviously. During the Second World War, the castle and estate were requisitioned by the army as a tank driver's training area, and the castle itself became a prisoner of war camp. Consequently, a lot of damage was done to the building and estate, and then in 1950, Stafford Howard inherited it and then started restoring it.
You get that drone practicing? Where is it?
Over there, I can see it.
How's it looking?
I think it looks great.
So we're on our way back now. Just as we were packing up to leave the castle, we met a man called Neville, and he actually told us we weren't allowed to be where we were. Turned out that bit was actually the park that it said you weren't allowed to be in. But he was very nice, and he told us a little bit about the castle. He actually used to own it, but now it's managed by a trust. Here's a Hannah.
Hello.
But yeah, he wasn't best impressed, I don't think, when we first got there, but he did tell us that 62 people had climbed over fences to get into the actual castle grounds the other day, so it's very understandable.
I think he warmed up to us.
Yeah, he liked us, I think, eventually. Good little ride.
We made it back.
We made it back, no incidents.
No incidents. Our trusty helmets on.
Now to battle with this. Pork and caramelised apple pie, chicken and stuffing pie, Penrith Porker.
You alright?
Yeah. Got our sausage rolls, got our pie, locally sourced produce.
It smells so... Is it hot? Is it nice?
It's so good.
Flaky pastry.
It has been such a good trip. I've got 3 hours of driving, maybe a bit more. What an amazing place. I definitely think we
I
should
need
try
to
and
come
come
back,
back like
100%.
every year. I had no idea it was this beautiful here. It
You
has
need
been
to.
incredible. Perfect weather for the last day as well. It's been
I think
so
the rain's
clear
coming
today.
in actually.
Tomorrow.
Now, from tomorrow. So we were lucky with the weather. Breathe in the mountain air.
So nice. Right, I'm gonna finish this one up here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this Lake District mini series of vlogs. It's been a lot of fun.
I've enjoyed them.
Our first holiday together.
Cute.
Thank you so much for watching. Big love. And it feels good around here.
That feels good.